The starting point was obviously the war. It was a response to a humanitarian crisis. The UCL School of Management partnered with other British universities through the academic sanctuary scheme to host scholars from Ukrainian universities. And one of these scholars is my colleague Nataliia.
I was looking for a program to support Ukrainian scholars, and School of Management offered me to be a research fellow at UCL School of Management.
Nataliia, who is herself a professor of entrepreneurship, came up with the idea to launch this lecture series in entrepreneurship for the Ukrainian community.
We don't have an entrepreneur's culture in Ukraine. This is why I try to use my area of expertise to help people who stay here from Ukraine. 143 people applied and 42 people are successful.
The lecture series is delivered in Ukrainian. It consists of 7 lectures in entrepreneurship to train, to empower aspiring and existing Ukrainian entrepreneurs to build a viable business.
This series of lectures very important for Ukrainian people because it's an amazing opportunity to continue and to believe in a Ukrainian future.
What I want to do is to build the solution that will help Ukrainian businesses, critical infrastructure to protect itself from all of the cyber offensive operation from Russia.
This lecture is very useful for us because we can continue our startup. We have new device, it's called Vitalizer. It increases blood circulation in capillary vessels. Right now, this device helps soldiers recovering after injuries.
I am very impressed by the participants. They are very, very curious and really want to do something impactful. So it's very exciting to see such a dynamic group.
If people want to be successful in lecture series, they need to be very motivated to be entrepreneurs.
I would say that war is not the reason to actually stop our lives, and this opportunity just empowers me to go on.
I believe in my future, I believe in the future of Ukraine, and I see how many businesses in Ukraine not give up.
At the end of the lecture series, we have a pitch day. This pitch day will showcase the most promising ideas in front of a jury with investors, practitioners, and academics.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the closing event. We will have 10 pitching teams. We will start with the first 5 pitches.
I think I've been most impressed by the diversity of ideas. The talent that we're witnessing is just off the scale, and I really do applaud their efforts.
It's a great experience. I'm very proud that we have been recognized for the best pitch. It's amazing.
It was really a great event, great pitches, great ideas, great passion. It's been amazing to see the progress week after week.
I receive a lot of gratitude from all participants. They say that they receive a lot of knowledge, a lot of good friends, good support.
I'm so grateful for all this series of lectures because it's building step by step what you need to create for the startup.
This initiative has been an incredible success. We went even beyond our hopes and expectations, and contributing to the reconstruction of Ukraine was certainly one of the best things we could do with our traditional vocation on entrepreneurship, innovation and technology.